Having the privilege to serve the citizens of Georgia as a keeper of the law has been dangerously mistaken by some as permission to act above the law. This is an expose on the misconduct of Amy Walters, a guardian ad litem and part-time judge, and the protection extended by Judge Arthur Smith. Walters took on the role of guardian ad litem in a case where she had already ruled in her judicial capacity against the same family. This was a clear conflict of interest, and under ethical standards, grounds for mandatory recusal. Instead of correcting it, Judge Smith let it proceed, shielding a conflict instead of removing it. Now the question becomes, how many times has Amy Walters profited from this dual role? And has Judge Smith been complicit in this pattern, or unaware of what's transpiring under his watch? I've served directly under the Chief Judge of the City of Atlanta, and as a legislative liaison for the Georgia Administrative Office of the Courts, working with the Georgia Court of Appeals and Supreme Court. I know the standards, and I know when they've been broken. This is not a one-time oversight. This is a pattern of role switching, immunity, and silence. Public trust cannot exist where ethical lines are erased, and judges cannot claim impartiality while shielding conflicted appointees. Judges are not above the law, they are entrusted to uphold it. Columbus, Georgia deserves better. Share this if you believe judicial accountability is non-negotiable. Like it if the pattern is clear. DM if you've seen it firsthand. #judicial oversight, #Amy Walters, #Judge Arthur Smith, #guardian ad litem abuse, #courtroom bias, #Georgia justice, #protect the people, #expose the pattern.